Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Wormy is dead. Remember Wormy? Did a video upon him? He was released from prison. I tell him to say. Wormy is a relic of the old time Klansman days, when it was just Tesha Miller. The same Wormy that took part in the SH00TER and Joyful Lynch killing. Wormy actually chopped off one of the woman he made, and he was never convicted for it. In Gateway, well, the Agnem him supper now. Wormy is dead. But not just that. The big mass shooting of one at Clarendon, I tell them to say, Klansman play a role in it. Wormy played a role in it. Them that look for him hard, well, they find him. Never talk about it. When we go into that, 2 Patreon birthday shout out. First one is a belated. I already tell him privately, but I drop it publicly too. C4 birthday gone recently. As in the C4. In my opinion, the most game-changing witness we've ever seen in Ironman. We've seen many witnesses, but C4 is game-changing. I have to tell them about C4 and them actions. Even Hollywood couldn't script some of them things. Regular me and him talk, I'm tell him, say, bro, you built different. Cause even after all of that, you gave up so much and then people are still take you for fool. But you don't know who put in the effort, who fight and fight. The movement especially, right, step out strong for C4. The banker. I'm wanting to know, say, a regular me and C4 talk about it, him greatly appreciate the help. I want to just talk about the funds, we talk about the support. Enough time when him read the comments them, and the video them, upon the recordings, you must say it's a good feeling. So C4 big up yourself, you don't know, never say nothing to you. Not even another word. You don't know it already. Right, you think you're normal. You're not normal. Right. A movie star thing, man. And just because C4 unfortunately was born in an Iron Man, a place that does not appreciate things that him do. Any other society, C4, them that make movies about him. Next up we have long time supporter, King Jazz. I'm say long time, I mean right from the very start. There are some usernames I just remember. From one time we was an extra little YouTuber. Cause we get promoted now to little YouTuber. But we was an extra little YouTuber. So one of the names them remember from Wappy Kill for the King Jazz birthday. Today is actually his birthday, so I wanted to big him up. King Jazz, enjoy yourself to the max. Celebrate. But make it home in one piece. Cause I say story where they say man I ride bicycle. Drunk. Dropping a patrol and John. You can't make this up. You cannot make this up. So King Jazz, C4, big up on yourself. More life. So Wormy. Wormy is dead. The same Wormy from the SH00TER and Joyful Lynch killing. Wormy actually beheaded one of the women them. I've covered the video before. Beheaded one of them. Him get away with it. He was never convicted on that. Wormy, they both from the old time Klansman days when them used to talk about them say Tesha one done. Wormy is a relic of that era, and you see how long it take for them to get rid of Wormy. But even since being back from prison, Territory Lane, the worst mass killing in Jamaican history, Wormy played a role in it. Me telling you say Klansman play a role in it. Them go for Wormy for a costume, and Wormy is a 87 enough time police go film and him fire shot and get away. Him feel very confident in the business when he may say police are come film because him they don't make up film mind saying can just do this and I'm going to fire some shot on the board and take up myself and, well, every dog have them the kill him in a gravel heights. Say man lay low. Wasn't laying low enough? Now them going to lay him low under the dirt. Cherry Tree Lane. Somebody want to kill people from Whopper kill filler. To how long it take for the authorities them deal with him. He managed to left prison, left jail, and take part in one of the worst mass shootings in Jamaican history. This is after him take part in one of the most tragic killings in the Jamaican history. That's the Charmaine Ratchet and Joseph Lynch killing. Me tell them so the same man them did the same crime them. Now me telling you so when Wormy touch back the road, him help straighten up back Tesha's faction. Wormy was able to draw up on certain links and bring in certain man and he was a valuable asset to Tesha Miller. This is a major loss to Tesha Miller's faction. The Badders and the Hodges, well at them type of 87 the Wormy was. And finally deal with him. Tesha Miller's faction is trying to re-establish themselves, especially after Black Man faction get decimated and Termite get what they don't get. Tesha was rebuilding. Now, guess who helped rebuild him? Guess who one of the main people who already started spending money for rebuilding? Your favorite artist, Barabbas. The artist who hold on the ball, free this and free that. The artist them Marky Saxon carry up on PNP stage. I'm going to drop a next video about Barabbas publicly declaring him loyalty. We not talk about, yeah, go like say, Barabbas, like people can't change. Silly rabbit tricks of a kids. That the dirty heart boy there. Change. I must see one tire. You people are foolish. Barabbas is publicly declaring his loyalty to the gang them. And which gang him loyal to. And politicians stand upside of him. That is why anywhere them people here go, I have only one wish. I have only one wish. And is that anywhere them people here go, in the next life me no want go. If them go Irie heaven, send me God the dog heaven. Send me God the mongoose heaven, but me no want go nowhere near them. People are vile. Corporate Jamaica, political Jamaica, your favorite Jamaican citizens run up and down talk about, you're free Barabbas. Your favorite Jamaican citizens, these people are vile and sick in them head. The man who them claims here go like some man can't change, come out and ready start to claim loyalty. And is already funding Tesha Miller to straighten up back Theme faction because them see opportunity. Termite gone and Black Man is severely weakened. I'm going to make a separate video on it. Sheep Nation guy, your favorite artist is content fodder. Your baby Kenan fodder, he's content fodder. He makes it too easy. So look out for that video. So just know, Tesha Miller and in 87 them have gotten a significant boost since such man left prison. Yes, some 87s who Tesha will tell you say easily replaced, and the others way he had hurt him. Wormy dying, one make him head hurt him. And plus on top of it him having court matters to deal with. When I see Wormy now on anti-gang, at first I say, well, how them for left off somebody like Wormy, then I think to myself, hold on, but all the matter I carry him go give him 7 years for murder. Well, which part him there right now, him wish him there on anti-gang behind bars. Well, anyway, Charmaine Ratchet and Joseph Lynch there right now. If them a true name, Wormy dead. Took a very long time, but then get rid of him. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, go life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.